Hey guys, Chris Rivers here with Culture Bus. Hope you're doing well today. We're going to focus on day 16 of the Productivity Challenge, so I'm excited to be joining you today. I want to talk to you about efficiency and working with those that you report to. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a way that I do this. David Delk is my boss at my church that I work with, Grace Church, and this is a Google document that we use on a regular basis that have two ideas, things that you need to know and things I need your input on. And so we have running projects that I'm working on, and he needs to know about those. I have questions from him, and so I can't always meet with him every 5 minutes. So I have created this document so that we can both be on the same page. So I've shared this with him. This is a tool that we use together that I created that would both of us be able to work together well. So one of the things that I often do when I put these documents together is I always put the date of what I'm working on, and then the subject, and then anything that I might need him to be aware of. And then when I meet with him for my weekly meeting, we are opening up this document together, and he's asking me, what needs to be deleted, what do we need to know, and so forth. So I want to give you an example of something. He actually wrote some things to me that we needed to schedule a meeting. So one of the ways that I'm going to connect with him is this document itself. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this add here. I'm going to put add Delk, which is his email. I'm going to say, I have time. Oops, let's make sure I spell this right. I have time to do this on Wednesday of this week. Do you have time to do this? Okay, I'm going to assign it to him, which means now that will be assigned to him, and I'm going to go ahead and hit assign. So what this does is I don't have to send an email, don't have to send a separate text. We just use this document going forward to keep track of what we're actually trying to accomplish. This is really helpful. When you're leading, whether you're leading down, you're leading up, you're leading sideways, you're always having to put pressure on the people that you work with. You have to help them move whatever it is that you're doing down the field. And so this is a way for me to do this. When he responds to me through this note and says he can do it, I'll hit the checkbox and hit resolve. And then when we're finished with this objective, we can just delete it and get rid of it. And so just continuing to use this as a way to work well together is something that you could do with your boss. So hopefully that's helpful today. As you can see, I've used the brand style guide for Grace for our Google Docs. You've seen multiple style guides, and in other videos I've given you examples on how to do this. So there's no distractions here. He sees this, I made it, and he values this. I know he does because he knows everything that we're working on right on a simple page. Okay, if you want to get people on the same page, often you just need to make a page. And so that's what you can go do today with the boss that you have, with the people that you report to. Create something like this and use it as a way to be collaborative, but also to be efficient. Hope that helps. Let me know if you have any questions.